Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be looking at the Lubluelu robot vacuum cleaner. I actually purchased this one on eBay. I'm sure you can probably get it elsewhere in different places, so if I can leave some links down below I would do that. I'm going to open it and then let's see what this looks like, because I do want to talk about why I purchased this. I mean, I have the Henry's Hoover at the moment, which is just like, you know, a little industrial Hoover, which is really good. I'm not going to knock the Henry Hoover. It's actually a very good Hoover. But the Henry Hoover, you have to operate. And with this robot Hoover, I don't have to operate it. It actually operates by itself. I think by scanning the room, I'm not sure. We're going to look into this together and see how we do this. But I want something that actually works for me while I'm sitting down, maybe even doing some editing. Instead of having to do the hoovering, this will save me a lot of time. And if you're anyone like me, got a very busy life, very busy schedule, this is probably something, if it does work, and that's what we're going to demonstrate in this video, something I would definitely recommend. So obviously we can see this is the base of it. So it's going to look like this. And then it has got a little docking station as well. So we're going to have all these kind of filters as well. So here's the little bag for it, almost like a little Hoover bag. And I heard that this one that I've ordered as well has a little mopping device. So you can put water in it and it will mop the floors. So this is great. And this is the, obviously, like you can see the docking station here. This is where it will go into. Obviously, I've got to read this book because there's going to be so much to cover, as you can see. There's an app there that you will need to download on your phone, which will help you to operate. So yeah, very high-tech stuff here, which we will get into. And yeah, I don't know what this is, but yeah, there's going to be a part of it there. And I think this bit is going to be yeah, it's got the plug there, another one of these. Okay, I think that's everything in the box pretty much. Yeah, it's everything in the box. So it's nice that they give you all of these extra bits as well, because I suppose I'm going to start having to order these little bags. But I think that's where the bag goes, because I can see that there is a hole there. And yeah, so it looks like this. There's the plug there. So this has got, I can see the kind of two magnetic connectors where that will probably be clicking into. So that's about the size of it. If you wanted to know about the size, how it would look, that's about the size for storage in your home, because I'm going to have to find a location now where this can go in the home. And yeah, so when it works, obviously it's got an on button here. And yeah, so we need to start figuring out how this works first. So let me read the manual, and then I will come back, and then we will figure out how we can get this on the phone and how this works. I'm going to show you my carpet as well, the befores and afters. I'm going to do the demonstration on my carpet. I've left my carpet, and I have cats, and it has a lot of cat hair on it. So this is going to be great to see how this hoovers up. So here is a quick shot of the carpet. And I hope that is actually picking up all of the cat hairs as well on the rug here. So you can see there's going to be obviously the befores and afters. So obviously this is the before. So I'm going to read the manual, and we will come back and we will get this Hoover working. Okay, so this is the bottom of the Hoover, and I have actually downloaded the app, and it's called Smart Life, Smart Living. And in the instruction book, you can actually see the app download. So you just download the app. It's called Smart Life, Smart Living. And so what the instructions are telling me to do is to remove all the protective strips, which I've done. There was 3 of them. And then it says to install the side brush. Now this is the side brush, and obviously I'm going to install it here. So let's do that now. That's the first step. Okay, so the next bit, I have to plug in the actual, so I have to plug in the station here. So I've got the plugs there. So this is where I'm going to place it in the home. And then you have to put in the filter, obviously. So as you can see, this is where the filter goes. The little bag goes in here. And you can see where there's a slot. So you just slot it in there. And then get the bag out like this. So that's where the bag goes. And then I'm going to put the lid back on. There we go. And that light now has turned into a different colour. So we need to get it onto the charging.
Owen, start charging.
So as you can see now, the lights have come on and it is starting to charge. So the next step while that is charging is that we need to activate the Bluetooth, because we need to make a connection to the phone. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing now. I've already downloaded the app. Again, you can see here it says Smart Life. And yeah, you can go to Google Play to get that, or your App Store. And like I said, I've got the QR code here. So it was an automatic download. And then, right, so I've got that. So what I need to do now is I need to connect this device to my Bluetooth, which I will do on my phone. So that's what you will need to do in the instructions when you set it up. So then you need to add the device onto the app, which I've done, and that's been completely successful. You need to bring your internet key in there, password key, so that it connects, and then it will tell you whether you want it to start cleaning. Obviously I don't right now because I want it to fully charge. It actually tells you how much charge you have in it as well on that app, which I'll show you a picture here. So mine is 51% right now. I'm waiting till it fully charges before we do the cleaning. But yes, so far so good. So it says it's completed now, and then it's going to go to its charging station.
Start charging. Start dust collection. Dust collection completed.
Okay, so it's back to the charging port. I can't actually allow this to charge. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. It's about 50%, and that's good enough for me. I'm going to take it off the charge so I can just show you a quick demonstration on the mopping so that I feel like I've given you a very good review of this product. So what I've done is I've just turned it around, and as you can see here, it's got these kind of blue clips. So I'm just going to press them in. And it literally just takes it off.
Removed.
Yeah, it's so easy and simple. And then by pressing this blue lever here, it takes the whole...
Take out the dust box.
Takes out the dust box. But as you can see here, it does show you a little tap. And this is where, if I remove this, is where you're going to be putting in the water. And if we open this up, you can see where all the dust that it collected. So I'm going to empty that out, and I'm going to fill this up with water. So I do not like to submerge anything in water, especially electrical. So I can use a jug and just fill that up there. There we go, and let's slot that back in and let's get mopping. And I'm going to put this back and slot that back into there.
Mopping pad replaced.
Okay, and then we're going to see how well this is going to mop. Make sure it doesn't go on the carpet. Your carpet's going to get wet, and you're also going to need, when you do it on your map, which you'll find on the app, you know, you can actually restrict it to go into certain places. So it could just be limited to just the mopping areas. So it is starting to do the mopping now, and when you go onto your app, it will actually say the cleaning preference. When you go onto there, you can click on mop, you can click on whether you want it low, medium or high, and also you get to select whether you want a strong suction. So as you can see, the water there is wet. So as you can see, I just focused on this area mainly just to show you a demonstration, but you can see where the water's gone, you can see the shine, you can see where it's mopped. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, because that's another reason why I bought it. It does 2-in-1. It not only does it vacuum, but it also mops as well, which is a great option, especially in the kitchen areas. And yeah, so I'm going to leave links down below. Check the description box down below for links for this item. And I hope you enjoyed all of the demonstrations that were taken place today.